Send to Excel. Sage 50 Accounts integrates with Microsoft Excel, making it quick and easy to send invoice and credit note data to a spreadsheet. In this video, you'll learn how to customize the columns that appear in the invoices and credits list. You'll also learn how to search for data and apply filters. By customizing and filtering your invoices and credits list, you can quickly send the required data to Excel. Let's first look at how the invoices and credits list can be customized. To do this, from the Invoices and Credits module, these columns are shown. Columns not required can be hidden, and extra columns added. Please note the invoice number column can't be hidden. To hide a column from the list, right-click a column heading, then select any ticked option. To add a column to the list, right-click a column heading, then select any unticked option. By default, the invoice list sorts in invoice number order. The up arrow on the number column confirms the sort order is ascending. To sort the list by a different column, left-click a column heading, for example, date. The default sort order is ascending. To change the sort order to descending, click the column heading again. The down arrow confirms the sort order has changed. Once you have the required information on screen, click Send to Excel. Each column from the Invoices and Credits list appears in its own column on the spreadsheet, in the same order. This can now be manipulated or shared with colleagues, even those with no access to Sage 50 Accounts. You can easily revert a customized list back to the default settings. To do this, right-click any column heading, then select Use Defaults. To revert to the default sort order, click the column heading for Number. Let's now look at Quick Search. You can quickly locate the information required using the Quick Search option. To do this, from the Invoices and Credits module, to search for records for a certain customer, enter the customer name in the search box and click the spyglass. Alternatively, press Enter. Please note the search option is not case sensitive. The Invoices and Credits list updates, and the number of records displayed shows here. To send this data to Excel, from the main toolbar, click Send to Excel. To remove a search, click the bin. Let's search again. This time I'm going to search for Peter only. These results show records for Peter Young and Johnson Design and Build Partners. As the full invoice record is searched, except item lines, the records for Johnson Design and Build Partners must contain the word Peter. To open an invoice, double-click on it. To look through the record, click the tabs on the left. In the Order Details tab, the Customer Contact box contains the word Peter. This is why these records appear in the search. To close the record, click Close. To search only for records matching Peter Young, change the search accordingly. To remove a search, click the bin. Finally, let's look at filters. To hide invoices and credits not required, filters can be applied. Let's apply a filter to show only service credit notes. To do this, from the Invoices and Credits module, all records are currently shown. Now click the Filter button. Add the filter Where invoice type code is equal to 4 service credit. Then click Apply. To close the filter window, click Close. Only service credit notes show. Let's extend this filter to also include product credit notes. Click Filter, then click the next line down. Add the filter, or invoice type code is equal to 3 product credit, and click Apply. To save a filter for later use, click Save As. Now enter a file name and click Save. To close the filter window, click Close. Now, both product and service credit notes show. Quickly remove a filter by clicking the funnel. To reapply the filter, click the funnel again. To clear a filter, click Filter, Clear Form, Apply, and Close. To load a saved filter, click Filter, then Open. From the list, select the required filter and click Open. To apply the filter, click Apply and then Close. If required, click Send to Excel. You've now learned how to customize columns, search for data, and apply filters before sending to Excel.